Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. I fried some extra crunchy fried chicken. I just finished frying it and seasoning it. It's extra crispy. I like it, you guys. Look how beautiful that color is. Can y'all see that? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make me a chicken slider. Okay. Here's my Hawaiian rolls already buttered. And I'm going to put me a piece of chicken in here, you guys. Can you all see that? And I'm going to put some Mike's honey mustard on top, you guys. I'm going to just drizzle all through the sandwich. I'm going to show you guys. Okay. Can y'all see that honey mustard on here? I got it dripping. Okay. So I'm going to take me a small bite. Ooh. Oh, it's good. And the Mike honey sets it off, you guys. Got crispy chicken. I also made me some homemade little fries, you guys. The wedges. So must try. And chicken sandwich. Very good. It's good. And I just seasoned my potatoes with black pepper and garlic salt. Okay, you guys. My hand is sticky. I'm gonna eat. This is good. With the hot honey. So, I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now. Y'all want to bite? Y'all can bite on this end. Bye, y'all.